Welcome back to my channel. Way to Maritime guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I will tell you regarding the curriculum vitae or the resume. It is one of the most awaited video by you guys. One of my video I have told you that if you want any CV, means how to make CV, just message me. I will give you the template regarding that. But a lot of messages came and I am in my busy schedule obviously, so that is why sometimes I was unable to send. So of course sorry for that, but today I will show you each and everything regarding CV and resume. So you have to stick to this video till the end. So which all things I will cover in this video? First let me tell you, first thing I will cover how to make a good CV. And please do not make from the Microsoft Word, you will not find that kind of satisfaction. So there is a special website for that. Obviously 120 rupees you have to spend for that to what is called download the CV after making it, but that is fine, absolutely fine. 120 rupees is nothing. But another thing, I will show you one CV and which all mistakes is there, that I will tell you. And obviously I will analyze the score of the CV, and that thing you can also do after making your CV. So in a shorter format, CV making with the help of website, one CV with the analysis, and how to check the CV score after making the CV. So 3 points I will cover. So video will get little longer, so please stick to this video to know each and every aspect regarding the CV and resume for the freshers. So let's start with the CV. So this is the website, you can see styling CV. I will give the link in the description box. All the links will be provided in the description box, so you can go and check it out, all the description box. Okay, so I have already made an account, so I'll just click on the my account. You have to make your account, you just need to put your email ID and some basic details, that is it. So that is the CV sample. I didn't make anything, okay, I just want to show you guys. So my name and these things are there. These things you have to put, okay, the personal information, LinkedIn ID, Twitter details, your marital status, all the things you can put. And colors are there, you can see, you can change the color of the template, you can change the template also. See, lot of templates are there, available templates. These are the free templates, okay, no, these are the premium ones. The premium is mentioned, which is the premium that you have to pay for it, okay. So use this template. No, I guess this is the free, but after when you are going to download this CV, that time it might require. So this template is also fine. So as per the template, these things will be changed, okay. So now summary you can put as per yourself. Work experience is there, you can put. Fresher, if you, then you can put all the education, you can see. Personal skills is there. So this is the bar, as per you can change that. Suppose you put 7, then it will be show the 70%, like that. You need to put all the things. Now the language, you can see your professional language, you can add and put. Courses, put your all STCW, your pre-C, you can do by yourself. Most proud of, you can see, if any curriculum activities you have done in your life, then do. My time, you can do, okay. If you want, you can put. If you do not want to put, you do not put, don't worry. Hobby, you can see, but hobby put as per your requirement, you can put your hobby, but you must have some knowledge regarding it, otherwise it will be unnecessary. Photo, you can put over here, you can see this section. And add new section, you can add any new section if you want. Free text, like that. Suppose you do not feel that in that section you cannot put all the relevant information, so you can put. Now I will show you one sample of CV which has been made by using this website only, okay. So CV I will show you. See, the CV from this website only it has been made. So this is the thing, name and all. See, is a TME. So career objective you have put, education you have put, everything has put, nothing worry about it. Certification you have put, courses you have put, and all STCW courses. Soft skills he put, hard skills he has put. So technical details also has put, So onboard training detail and project details has been put, project date and all. Apart from that, organizations and language you have put, strengths you have put, interests, okay, hobbies, personal details, all the details has been put using by this website only. Okay, hopefully you guys have seen this CV and you feel that CV is absolutely fine, right? Now I will show you what is the reality of it. So I'll upload this CV over this website, this racescore.in. okay, see grade is already F. I will see the brief report. So brief report, this is isn't a resume, first thing. So lot of things are there. Resume, see brevity is the most important thing, is 0, impact is 69, but see depth is 99, means he has put lot of information, but the way he has put that is not proper. Your resume is too long. Remove your objective section, try a professional headline instead. Don't use first person language, means he is not capable to write a good CV. Do not use first person language, use third person language. Okay, so industry, engineering, architecture, okay, that is fine, 71. Manufacturing, mechanical, customer service. Okay, so charts, where, so lot of things are there, you can watch by yourself. Okay, that all the details. So that is one website. So in this website CV is failed, and I will show you which things you have to rectify it. Don't worry about it. So this is the another website. Upload the CV, we will do the upload here. Here is the CV. Career I have already put entry level. Now it is doing the analyzing. It takes some time, so after evaluate the report I'll come back to you guys. So it took me around 1 minute. So there also see 8, the score is 8 overall. Impact 25, nothing mentioned these things. Okay, brevity again, resume length, use of bullet point length, and the filler words. Styling is okay. Skills is fine, skills is there, but still something is logged because this is not pro version. So at least spend some money here for this CV and all, otherwise it will be very difficult. You are spend some 400-500 rupees for these things. Spend there. This you need pro version. Okay, so to analyze your full CV, so if you put pro version, upgrade to pro, you see it will cost around 49 per month. Okay, so just one time you have to make, right? So you can do it easily, very easily you can do it. So nothing like that. So that is the thing. Now I'll show you the which all things he has made the mistake in the CV. So you can see this is the CV, the first part, right? This part, career objective, don't need to write that much thing. Okay, all the details, this thing not required, actually primary details. One of the video I have mentioned that people used to put the class 5 details, or that is not absolutely required. Certification he has put, okay, fine. Courses he has put, that is okay, but where is the number? There is no number mentioned here. If you want to know my suggestion, I will suggest you do not write like that. Make box. You will find the option in that website also. Make a box. Add section, STCW certificate details separately. Course name, one section column. Second column, the college name. Then you can put issue date and date of expiry. These 4 things make a box and put the details like that. Okay, even you can do for the Windows and the CDC also. Soft skills not required this much skill. Hard skills also not required. We know if you are a marine engineer, you are able to do that naval architecture also, so don't need. Technical details so much not required. Project, okay, fine, but written too much here. The 50 ppm bill jalam, it's not marpole. He has written all the marpoles. This is not your engineering paper, man. Who want to know that you have your what is called oily water separator requirement? No one want to know that, right? This is just a resume. Just do it within 2 pages. That is fine. Apart from that, lot of projects he has done in his entire life, and he has put all the details, all the okay, fine. Interest is okay, hobbies okay, fine. Personal details, that thing has done, that he didn't put at least his father number, that is fine. So okay, so these things I have told you, that shorten your CV, or better to say the resume. So people don't have time to read all these things. Okay, 5 pages CV, who will read your 5 pages CV? No one interested. So do it like that. I guess I've understood this video. It was the most awaited one. So thank you for watching it. So I guess you have understood this video, and mainly I wanted to show you which mistakes Merchant Navy officer or Merchant Navy fresher used to make while making a good resume or CV. It looks like fantastic. The CV which I have shown you, it looks like fantastic, but if you means what you can say, if you analyze the CV in a brief, then there is nothing. You can see the score, no, 7 out of 100 or something like that. So even the CV score is not above 60%. So after making your CV, please use those websites to analyze the score at least, that because see, the guys, the HR departments are there in the Merchant Navy companies also, so they used to see the CV each and every day. Okay, so they know how to make a CV. So what tips I have told you, please implement those tips. I guess you will able to make a good CV. Okay, so I guess I've understood this video. All the links in the description box, the CV styling and CV score check, you just go and check that links also. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.